Take a look in the fridge today.
Another reason why it sucks to be Russian in America. Because everybody asking what you wanna do, asking you the same fucking question.
Says here a mysterious death of a tart Michigan cherry with the dark rusted malt of the Bagel Gold Stout and a stout version of cherry juice.
They treated me like an fool, you know, like a fucking person from another planet. It just pisses me the fuck off.
Hey guys.
Today's beer is
Say Sanguiba.
Let's go see what's in the fridge today. This is Greg's beer review. Let's go see what's in the fridge. Unless somebody did this. Slap flip, slap flip. Greg's beer review.
Greg Beer Review.
Hey guys, still driving man today. Let's go check and see what's in the John Henry Tunnel. We're over top of the fridge today.